Reit, dyn ni wedi chwarae gêm cyflym nawr, lle bydd Suzanne Rankin yn gorfod dyfalu pa gair sydd yn mynd efo pa llun, okay? So dyma ni. So what we're going to do now, Suzanne, is that we're going to guess what word goes with which image, okay? So the word describes the image.
Okay.
So the first
Welsh
one,
Pictionary.
Welsh Pictionary, that's the one. So the first one we've got is castell.
I think, well, diolch. I think you're starting me with the easy one. How's that?
Brilliant. Absolutely superb. Okay.
Okay.
Yr un nesaf ydy, this is going to be interesting one.
Oh, that's...
Pice ar y fain.
Pica ar y fain.
Pice ar y fain.
Oh, now you're testing me now. I'm going pancakes.
Knocked it out of the park.
No.
No!
No?
Absolutely right. You got it absolutely right.
Tell me how to say that, Alex.
Pice ar y main. Pice ar y main.
Pice ar y main.
Which is Welsh for Welsh cakes.
Welsh cake. Oh, no, they're not pancakes. They're Welsh cakes.
Welsh cakes.
Pice ar y main.
Yes.
I've got no idea why I went for that one.
But you got it. There's something, you got it.
There's no logic. Okay.
Brilliant. There we go. So next one is calon.
Oh. I've got a gut feeling with this one. I'm going calon. No, I can see from Alan's face. It's not right. No. All right. Okay. Moving this way. Oh, I'm miles off, am I?
Not saying anything now.
Right. Going there.
Going that one.
Final choice.
Final choice?
Yeah.
As in they say?
Yeah. Wrong.
That one.
Heart.
If you want to put that one.
Calon.
Calon.
How? Okay.
There we go. Never
Okay.
mind. You got it right, but you nearly got it there.
Yeah.
Well done, well done.
I think that was drawn by the sort of sense of calon.
Oh, I see. Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh,
you like this one? Dyma ni. Dydd Gwyl Dewi. Dydd Gwyl Dewi. You might have just learnt that.
I think I have just learnt that.
Have you?
I think I can go down here with that one.
There we go.
Dydd Gwyl Dewi.
Ah, da iawn. Da iawn, Suzanne. Da iawn. And then, y nesaf, sef, Ceninen Pedyr. So you got two guesses for that one. Ceninen Pedyr.
Ceninen Pedyr.
Pedyr.
Ceninen Pedyr. I'm going here. I'm going there. Final decision.
Final decision.
I'm committing.
You're committing. Absolutely bang on. Brilliant. And finally...
Right, well, if I get this one wrong, something's gone very wrong.
There we go. Draig. A draig.
Ah, now, I would have got that, I think. Draig.
Draig. There we go.
Draig.
A draig. Or a draig goch. The red Welsh dragon.
Ah.
The draig goch. There we go.
Goch.
There
we go.
Fantastic.
There
Well done,
we go.
Well, diolch yn fawr iawn, Suzanne. Diolch am chwarae. Thank you for playing. You got out 5 out of 6 out of our St David's Day Challenge Pictionary. So, diolch yn fawr am chwarae and well done. Thank you for promoting the Welsh language and promoting the St David's Day today.
Dydd Gwyl Dewi hapus. Diolch wylio hwyl fawr. Happy St David's Day. Thank you for watching.